778 and 94 mile an hour through the 8th. Out the back. Justin Orr, the 89 Chevrolet Camaro turbo vehicle. The turbo Camaro 868 and 162 out of that street car. If you need some groceries in a hurry, hop in the Camaro. He'll get you there.